Start the tile run where it will meet the outer edge of the base cabinets so you do not waste material or create awkward partial cuts at visible cabinet faces. Measure the entire cabinet run from one fixed end to the other and mark reference points on the subfloor at intervals of 2 feet using a tape measure and chalk line so you can visualize the final joint. Dry lay full tiles along that reference line 2 to 3 tiles wide to test how partial tiles will appear at cabinet faces and at doorways. If a partial tile less than 1/2 of a full tile would fall at a visible cabinet face, shift the starting joint by 1/2 tile toward the wall so the cut falls under the cabinet toe kick or at the wall where it is less noticeable. Leave a joint gap of 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch between tile and cabinet toe kick to accommodate movement and trim with flexible caulk rather than rigid grout where the tile meets finished cabinet wood. Never run tile underneath base cabinets unless you intend to remove them later, because that consumes materials and complicates future maintenance. Stop the tile at the cabinet edge and use transition strips or a thin metal reveal if the cabinet design exposes the subfloor. When working around obstacles such as islands or angled cabinetry, measure from those fixed points and transfer perpendicular chalk lines to keep your grid square and aligned with cabinet faces rather than walls. Common mistakes include starting the grid from the wrong wall, which shifts narrow cuts to the front of cabinets rather than under the toe kick, so always measure and dry lay toward the most visible sightline. Another frequent issue is failing to leave a movement joint between tile and cabinet, which can cause grout cracking. Leave a small flexible gap and use paintable silicone where the cabinet finish meets tile. A third problem is not accounting for door swing and appliance clearances, so tile is cut away from where the door will sit. Check clearances with the door or appliance gasket in place before making final cuts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can match a tile layout to your cabinetry plan and give on-site advice about stopping points and transitions. We also help contractors find work and connect with a discussion community where builders and homeowners exchange layout tips and practical solutions.